Yeah, man, over there standing by that thing. Let me find Snoop now. Hit it with that green to fight the red. Let me find, yeah, hey, look out, man. Let me find Snoop. And where's Snoop at? I don't see nobody skinny right now. Oh, Simba here. She is over there. There she go, man. They've been looking for her all night. I think I'm gonna just go back over there, but I need somebody to hold this plate. Cause I gotta hold my drink, hold the camera. And where's Snoop at when you need him? I don't see him. Dang. I'm finna start eating then. I'm finna go over there with Simba, y'all. Hold on. Let me try to. Hey, look. Damn, man. How the hell I'm gonna carry that drink and this plate? Man, who the hell I know over there? I don't know. I don't see Snoop nowhere. Damn. Oh, there go Trent. Hey, Trent! Trent! I need to holler at Trent. What's up with it? I think I'm finna eat my shit now. Yeah. I don't know what to do. They cooling down. They almost at the right temperature without liking, man. Damn. Be able to do it like I want to, but I ain't able to do it. Man, where I'ma go? Oh, damn, that go big time. He gonna want one too here. Damn, I lost all my people, man. I was standing by that shed, y'all. You know how these phones be acting when you stand by a lot of metal. Tripped out on me. Damn. Oh, it look like he trying to run him down, but he can't. Left side with the wind, y'all. Man, let me see how I'm finna do this, 'cause I'm ready to enjoy. I'm about to start eating these tacos, y'all. Let's see something. Oh, I ain't bring my tripod today. Golly, I done messed up. Sorry. Golly, that bitch good. Nah, you ain't missed Simba yet. I'm gonna go over there. Tell her y'all looking for who that is. Look out, pass me that drink right there. Appreciate it, man. Oh, damn, I can't see. I know y'all can't. Oh, snap, all y'all return. Okay. Appreciate y'all. I'm over here working on these tacos. Here go one right here, man. God damn it. Got the perfect amount of meat. And I put the right amount of juices on this thing. You ate 8 of them? God damn. You ain't eating nothing all day. That truck got him, y'all. Damn. Boy, these thing good. Team Thundercock, thank you, man. Thundercock making a name for himself. Oh, there goes somebody wearing a Lookout Racing hat. Yeah, the dude standing next to Murder got a Lookout Racing hat on. That thing clean. Ooh, this drink good too, boy. Well, they did they thing. I'm happy, y'all. Appreciate all the donations, man, for the tacos. I'm getting excited. Oh, that's my boy Brandon up there with the hat on.
Say green side is on that side, right?
Damn, I think green